Hello, I'm Dan the Produce Man at Dan's Fresh Produce. Folks, there are over 400 potato varieties grown around the world. And here in the United States, we have several states that grow potatoes. We have Oregon, Washington, Nevada, California, Florida, Wisconsin, Michigan, Maine, to name a few states, and they're all grow wonderful potatoes. But it's the Idaho potato that takes the cake. Now, according to the Idaho Potato Commission, it's the cool evenings and the warm days during the growing season and the rich volcanic soil that makes the Idaho potato #1. So I have baked some of these potatoes. Now, there's several ways you can bake a potato, and I've seen a lot of different recipes. And now you see how I'm cutting these. Joe, can you get a close-up of this? I'm cutting these across, and then we're doing another little cross here, see? Because what that's going to do, that's going to fluff up the spud. So it's nice and tasty, okay? See? Just like that, so you get that nice restaurant-style look. You can do that with your baked. Well, this one kind of slipped up a little bit, but that's okay. Now, when it comes to the perfect baked potato, it's very healthy for you. Potatoes have lots of vitamin C, like 750 milligrams of potassium, and tons of vitamins and minerals and nutrients in potatoes. So don't shy away from them. It's all that junk that you put on, the cheddar cheese, the bacon, the sour cream, all that stuff there is what's going to give you the heart attack. But instead of sour cream, if you must, we have some excellent Hum Baby hummus from Q's Halal Chicken right next door. You just top your potato with hummus. Forget the sour cream, this stuff. Look at how beautiful that is, and it's oh so tasty. Another way I like to do it is I just take a little balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and we have some herbs. Whatever herbs you want. I've got salt, I've got pepper, kosher salt, pepper, and some rosemary in here. You just sprinkle it across the top like that, see? Or you can do your fresh herbs. We have some fresh chives here. You can also top it with your fresh chives. See that on the hummus? See that on the balsamic mixture? Or you can just go straight olive oil and herbs. That way you're not using any butter. You're not using any sour cream. It's really, really good. Just like that. Because what the sour cream and the bacon and the cheddar cheese on, it takes away from the integrity of the potato. And when you have an Idaho potato, it's tons of integrity in here. You want to taste it deliciously natural than normal. So these other items are alternatives that you can do for your baked potato. Folks, Idaho potatoes are available right here at Dan's Fresh Produce. We have loose bakers, or we have 5-pound bags for only $1.99. So get your Idaho spuds today. Hey, I'm Dan the Produce Man saying it's always best when you get it fresh.